In this video, I will show you how to cancel the e-transfer on RBC using the RBC Online Banking and RBC Mobile App. First, Online Banking. Log into your RBC Online Banking account, navigate to Payment History, locate and click on the specific e-transfer you wish to cancel. Select Cancel Payment. Choose the RBC account where you'd like the funds to be deposited, then confirm the cancellation. If you're using the RBC Mobile App, follow these steps. Open the RBC Mobile App and tap Move Money button. Select Send or Cancel the e-transfer. Go to the History tab and find the e-transfer you want to cancel. Tap on the transfer and click Cancel Transfer. Select the account for the deposit and confirm the cancellation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.